Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Temperance and I have a wintertime deep conditioning routine for you guys. In this video, I'm going to just be sharing my tips and tricks and what I do to make sure my hair is highly moisturized. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also give me a like if you are interested in more videos like this. So to start out, I'm just going to rinse and saturate my entire head. It takes a while for me to do this because my hair is low porosity. So next I'm just going to use this Carol Daughter's Wash Day Delight conditioner, and this is going to be my pre-poo. This is what I use to detangle my hair and also to get some extra gunk up off of my hair. Next I just part my hair into subsections after applying a small amount of the product on my hair. This is just to make my hair soft. I use the water to activate the conditioner, and then I use this detangling brush that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I detangle starting at the ends of my hair and then working my way up. And I make sure I smooth the product throughout my hair because I do want my hair to get moisturized as I am detangling it. Now guys, I did this step off camera, but I did wash and condition my hair just with some regular Pantene shampoo and conditioner. And I made sure the shampoo was also a moisturizing shampoo. That's going to help with my low porosity hair. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections and apply 4 big jumbo twists. This is going to prep my hair for applying my hair mask. So I use a microfiber towel just to absorb a little bit of that water because my hair does tend to have a hard time absorbing product. Next, I'm just going to take these 2 plastic caps to trap in the heat that's going to come from my deep conditioning cap. This is going to allow my hair cuticles to expand so that when I put the deep conditioner on my hair, it's going to allow the product to soak in. I do this without putting any product on my hair because I want my hair cuticles to expand without any interference. And I left this on for 15 minutes, and then afterwards I'm just going to go ahead and apply my hair mask of choice. Everything that I use will be in the description box below. After I've sectioned my hair into 4 sections, I'm going to apply that deep conditioning mask to the overall general section, and then I'm going to part my hair into subsections, smaller sections than this, to make sure that all of the hair is fully saturated.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at
After I've applied the deep conditioner to my entire head, I'm going to go ahead and twist my hair back up because I want the products and the heat to lock together and to have my curls be trained to go around each other, if that makes sense. Then we're going to repeat steps 7 and 8, which is to apply our plastic cap and also our deep conditioning cap. And this time around, we're going to leave this on here for 30 minutes to an hour. You can leave it on longer. I know some people sleep with their deep conditioning mask on, but because I'm doing this video and also I don't need it that long, I'm just doing it for 30 minutes. After I've allowed this to sit in my hair, I rinse out the entire mask, and I'm just checking my hair, and it is so soft, it is so bouncy. I just love it, and it's highly moisturized, as you can see. And I'm just taking the deep conditioner of my choice. Remember, everything will be linked in the description box below. And I'm applying the leave-in conditioner into that entire section. For me personally, I do not like my curls to be super defined. I love volume. So I just focus the leave-in conditioner mainly on the sections that need a little bit more love and care, and that's the front of my hair. That's where I get most of my damage, or where most of my hair is dry or separated. And then I part it into subsections and then apply that generously to each subsection. And I comb out the product thoroughly through my hair just to make sure the product is evenly distributed. And for this product, it is the Shea Moisture-Low Porosity Protein-Free Leave-in Detangler. I love it. And then afterwards, I use this Eden's split ends mask. And I know it's a hair mask that you're supposed to put on your hair, but because it specifically works for split ends, I put that at the ends of my hair and I use it as a leave-in conditioner, and it smells so good. But y'all, when I say my ends be moisturized, my ends be moisturized. So after repeating this step all over my head, I allow my hair to air dry, and then this is the finished result of my wintertime deep conditioning routine. My hair feels extremely soft, it smells so good, and I love all of the products that I use. I want to thank you all so much for watching my video. If you want more hair tutorials, please leave me some comments in the section below. Give me a like and also subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up with me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and have a great day.